In today's world, where concerns for personal well-being and the health of our planet are growing, making conscious choices about the food and beverages we consume has become increasingly important. Our dietary decisions not only impact our own health, but also have far-reaching consequences for the environment and the welfare of animals. This video delves into 10 common food and beverage items, shedding light on their potential health risks and environmental implications. By understanding the challenges associated with these items, individuals can make informed choices that promote both personal well-being and sustainability. So subscribe Info Plus and let's dive in. Number 1. White bread sold in stores. White bread is a common food at home, but it may not be as good when you learn how it's made and what's in it. White bread is made from refined wheat flour that has less nutrients and fiber than whole grains. The product is mostly made of starchy endosperm, which can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes due to its high glycemic index. White bread has additives like preservatives, dough conditioners, and emulsifiers to make it last longer and have a better texture. White bread may have added sugars for taste and texture. Eating white bread and other refined grains can increase the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. White bread has less fiber, which can cause digestive problems and make it harder to manage weight. Making white bread uses a lot of resources like water, energy, and chemicals. Choose whole grain bread for a healthier and eco-friendly option. Number 2. Canned veggies. Canned vegetables are not as healthy or eco-friendly as fresh or frozen ones, despite being convenient and long-lasting. When canning vegetables, they are boiled in hot water to make them soft. This can cause them to lose some vitamins and minerals that dissolve in water. Canning can destroy vitamin C due to high temperatures. Canned vegetables often have extra salt and sugar for taste and preservation. Too much sodium can cause high blood pressure and heart disease. Canned vegetables may have BPA, a chemical in can lining that can cause health problems like hormone disruption and developmental issues. Canned vegetables harm the environment because making metal cans uses a lot of energy and resources. Also, transporting heavy cans causes greenhouse gas emissions. Cans not recycled properly can add to landfill waste. Choose fresh, local, or frozen vegetables for a healthier and eco-friendly option. They have more nutrients and a smaller environmental impact. Number 3. Fake crab. Imitation crab is used in sushi and seafood salads, but its manufacturing process and ingredients may not be appealing. Imitation crab is made from minced whitefish like Alaskan pollock or whiting, mixed with water, starch, egg whites, and other additives such as flavors, colors, and preservatives. The fish paste is made to look like crab meat or other shellfish by adding natural and synthetic colorants like paprika extract or caramel color. The product is cooked and packaged for eating. Imitation crab has less fat and cholesterol than real crab, but more sodium, sugar, and artificial ingredients. Imitation crab has less nutrition than real crab meat, which is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Fishing for surimi can harm the environment. Fishing industry is worried about overfishing and bycatch. Choose sustainable seafood like real crab meats certified by the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, for responsible seafood consumption. Number 4. Bagged salads. Think twice before buying prepackaged salads. Contamination during washing and packaging is a concern. Bagged salads can cause food poisoning from E. coli, Listeria, and Salmonella. Chlorine washes don't always kill all harmful bacteria. Choose whole lettuce or leafy greens to reduce the risk of food poisoning. They are less likely to be contaminated because they are handled less during processing. Pre-packaged salads have an environmental impact to consider in addition to food safety. Making plastic containers for salads creates waste that can harm the environment. Pre-packaged salads have a big carbon footprint because they need to be transported and refrigerated quickly due to their short shelf life. Buy local produce without packaging to support farmers and reduce transportation and packaging. Making salads at home is safer and fresher. Number 5. Food dyes. Food colorings can be harmful and synthetic. They are used to make processed foods look better. Food colorings made from chemicals, sometimes from petroleum, can cause health problems like allergies, hyperactivity, and behavioral issues in children. Some artificial food colorings are banned in some countries due to health risks, but others are still used in the food industry. Common artificial colorings are red 40, yellow 5, and blue 1. Natural food colorings are safer than synthetic ones and come from plants, animals, or minerals. Some natural colorings, like carmine from crushed insects, can cause allergies and ethical concerns for vegetarians and vegans. Choose foods without artificial colors, or with plant-based colors like beet juice, turmeric, or spirulina for better health and a natural diet. Number 6. Fruit snacks in packages. Fruit snacks may not be as healthy as they seem. Fruit snacks have lots of added sugars like high fructose corn syrup and concentrated fruit juice. These can cause health problems like obesity and tooth decay. Fruit snacks have lots of sugar and artificial ingredients that can cause health problems and allergies. Fruit snacks can be a choking hazard for young children due to their chewy texture. Fruit snacks have environmental impacts during production and packaging. Single-use plastic wrappers cause pollution and require energy and resources for transportation and storage. Choose fresh fruits or homemade fruit snacks for a healthier and eco-friendly option. They have vitamins, minerals, and fiber without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Picking local seasonal fruits helps farmers and the environment by reducing transportation and storage. Number 7. Eggs from factory farms. Eggs from factory farms come from crowded and dirty places where hens can't act naturally or get fresh air and sunlight. These conditions can harm the bird's health. Hens in factory farms are kept in small wire cages called battery cages. Being confined can make hens sick and weak, so they need more antibiotics to stay healthy. Factory egg farming harms the environment by producing a lot of manure that can pollute water and air and emit greenhouse gases. Buy eggs from farms that follow higher welfare standards like free-range, pasture-raised, or certified organic systems for more humane and sustainable egg production. These options give hens more room, let them go outside, and let them act naturally. This makes them happier and helps the environment. Number 8. Corn syrup. Corn syrup is a sweetener in processed foods and drinks. It's made from cornstarch. AGFCS is a common type of sugar that can cause health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease because it can lead to insulin resistance. Making corn syrup harms the environment a lot. Making corn syrup needs lots of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. This can hurt the soil, water, and ecosystems. Large-scale corn farming can harm biodiversity and make crops more vulnerable to pests and diseases. Making and moving corn syrup causes greenhouse gases and uses energy. To avoid the negative effects of corn syrup, choose foods and drinks with honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar, or less sugar. Eating more natural foods can reduce intake of corn syrup and artificial ingredients. Number 9. Regular strawberries. Regular strawberries are tasty and can be used in many ways, but they harm the environment and health because farmers use a lot of chemicals to grow them. Strawberries are easily attacked by pests and diseases, so conventional growers use a lot of pesticides, fungicides, and synthetic chemicals to protect them. Chemicals on fruit can be harmful to people. Strawberries are usually on the Dirty Dozen list, which ranks produce by pesticide levels. Pesticides can cause health problems like hormone disruption, neurological issues, and higher cancer risk. Conventionally grown strawberries have significant environmental consequences. Chemicals from strawberry fields can pollute water, harm aquatic life, and reduce the number of bees and butterflies. Growing strawberries needs a lot of water, which can make water scarcity worse in those areas. Choose organic strawberries to reduce health and environmental harm. They are grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. Wash strawberries well to reduce pesticides. Choose local, sustainable strawberries that are in season and grown in your region. Encourage responsible strawberry production.